Imagine a car so breathtaking that it blurs the lines between engineering and art. A car so meticulously crafted that every detail, from the carbon fiber weave to the interior stitching, has been sculpted with the utmost precision. Welcome to the world of the Pagani Huayra, a hypercar that isn't just about blistering speed or technical prowess. It's a work of art. But what makes this machine so special? How did it earn its reputation as an art piece on wheels? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll see why the Pagani Huayra is more than just a car. It's a masterpiece. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. 10. Horacio Pagani's artistic vision. The genius behind the Pagani Huayra is none other than Horacio Pagani, an Argentine-Italian engineer with a passion for blending art with engineering. Before founding Pagani Automobili, he worked for Lamborghini, but Pagani always had a different vision, one where cars could be more than machines. He saw them as functional art. Every Huayra is an expression of this philosophy, a unique balance between aesthetics and technology. Pagani's background in both art and engineering allows him to create cars that are not only fast, but also visually captivating. His attention to detail and commitment to craftsmanship elevate the Huayra from a high-performance vehicle to a moving sculpture. 9. The use of Carbo-Titanium. The Pagani Huayra is built using a material that sounds like it came straight out of a science fiction novel, Carbo-Titanium. This unique composite combines the strength of titanium with the lightweight properties of carbon fiber. It's incredibly durable, able to withstand immense pressure, yet light enough to ensure the car's agile performance. But beyond its technical advantages, Carbo-Titanium is also visually stunning. The exposed carbon weave seen on the Huayra's body glistens under the light, creating a textured appearance that enhances the car's aesthetic appeal. This blend of beauty and strength underscores why the Huayra is considered more than just a car. It's a piece of functional art. 8. The Aerodynamic Design. The Huayra's aerodynamic design is not just about making the car go fast, it's also about visual elegance. Every curve, every contour serves a dual purpose, form and function. The sleek lines of the Huayra guide the air in such a way that it hugs the road, improving downforce and stability at high speeds. Pagani even incorporated active aerodynamics into the Huayra, with 4 flaps that adjust independently to optimize airflow based on driving conditions. This ensures not only maximum performance, but also a flowing organic aesthetic. The result? A car that looks like it was sculpted by the wind itself. 7. Interior craftsmanship. The interior of the Pagani Huayra is a work of art in itself. When you step inside, you're not just entering a car, you're stepping into a world of hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and detailed craftsmanship. Each component of the interior has been designed to provide an unforgettable experience. For example, the gear shifter is made from a single block of aluminum and features a mechanical design that looks more like a watch movement than a car part. The dials, buttons, and even the air vents are all made from bespoke materials, ensuring that every touchpoint in the car feels special. It's this kind of attention to detail that makes the Huayra a rolling art gallery. 6. Bespoke customization. Another reason the Huayra is considered a piece of art is the level of customization available to each owner. Pagani offers nearly unlimited possibilities when it comes to personalizing the car. From the color of the leather seats to the type of stitching used, every Huayra can be tailored to the owner's exact specifications. This bespoke approach ensures that no 2 Huayras are exactly alike, making each one a unique work of art. Pagani even offers custom paint jobs that can take hundreds of hours to perfect. The ability to make the Huayra your own adds another layer of artistry to the car. 5. A mechanical symphony. The AMG V12 engine. At the heart of the Huayra lies a twin-turbocharged V12 engine, designed by Mercedes-AMG specifically for Pagani. This engine is a masterpiece in its own right. Producing over 720 horsepower, it delivers an exhilarating driving experience. But it's not just about raw power. The sound of the engine is a symphony of mechanical precision, from the deep growl at low RPMs to the high-pitched wail as the car approaches its top speed. The engine's responsiveness and power delivery are tuned to perfection, offering a balance between performance and drivability that few other cars can match. The sound, performance, and precision engineering behind this engine are as much a part of the Huayra's artistic allure as its exterior design. 4. Attention to aerodynamics and craftsmanship. The Huayra's beauty isn't skin deep. It's built into every detail. Pagani spent countless hours perfecting the aerodynamic design of the car, testing and refining every curve to ensure it not only looks stunning, but also performs at the highest level. Active aerodynamics mean that the car adapts to the driving conditions, adjusting to optimize handling and speed. These features blend seamlessly with the car's aesthetics, creating a vehicle that's both visually and functionally flawless. The Huayra is the perfect example of how art and engineering can come together to create something truly remarkable. 3. Artistic inspiration, the wind. The name Huayra itself is a nod to the wind, specifically the Andean god of wind, Huayra Tata. This inspiration is evident throughout the car's design, from the flowing lines of the body to the intricate detailing inside. The Huayra feels like it was sculpted by the wind. The car's designers didn't just focus on creating something fast, they wanted to create something that looked as though it could glide through the air effortlessly. The result is a car that's not only beautiful but also incredibly aerodynamic, further cementing its place as a work of art in motion. 2. The legacy of Pagani. Horacio Pagani didn't set out to make just another hypercar. He set out to leave a legacy. In many ways, the Huayra is the culmination of decades of innovation, artistry, and engineering. Every Huayra that rolls out of the factory is a testament to Pagani's vision of combining beauty with performance. Unlike many other hypercars, which focus purely on numbers and specs, the Huayra aims to evoke an emotional response. It's a car that makes you feel something, whether you're admiring it from afar or experiencing its power firsthand. The legacy of the Pagani Huayra is not just its speed, but its ability to captivate and inspire. 1. The Huayra as a masterpiece. In the end, the Pagani Huayra isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece. It blends art and engineering in a way that few vehicles ever have. From the moment you lay eyes on its sculpted body, to the second you sit in its meticulously crafted interior, you realize that the Huayra is something special. Every detail has been carefully thought out and executed with precision, making it a true work of art on wheels. It's a car that tells a story, not just of speed and performance, but of craftsmanship, passion, and dedication. The ultimate art on wheels. The Pagani Huayra is far more than a hypercar designed for speed. It's a moving piece of art. Horacio Pagani's vision of combining beauty, technology, and emotion is evident in every curve, every material, and every feature of the Huayra. From its bespoke interior to its powerful V12 engine, the Huayra stands as a testament to what happens when engineering meets artistry. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the experience, the craftsmanship, and the legacy. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or simply an admirer of beautiful design, the Pagani Huayra is a car that will leave a lasting impression. If you're fascinated by the intersection of art and engineering, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And tell us in the comments, what do you think makes the Pagani Huayra stand out?